Rua de Sanches de Miranda, baby Miranda. Raining on Rua de Sanches de Miranda. Down, down, down on Rua de Sanches de Miranda. Raining on down Sanches de Miranda. Raining on those damn beautiful streets of Macau. Let it rain. Rain, rain, rain. Raining on down on Macau. Raining on down all over Macau.
Okay, we're going to be filming Rua de Sanches de Miranda. You can see the sign right over there. Way up there, just to give you some context, we got a lot of rain. I'm going to try to manage that. Right up there is Fortaleza, Montfort up there. Lazarus district is to the left. I'd like to take a photo of that if the rain stops. We got somebody taking care of a dog right there. Beautiful dog. They're grooming it. And then our street's going to go down here. And we're going to be walking down to that blue building with some beautiful architecture along the way. But I don't know how we're going to do that through the rain. So we'll figure that all out. Let me put this up on the map. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. There's a certain beauty to the rain though. Look at that flooding. Just kind of rolling down the hill, going on down. So we're going to try to get up a little bit so you can see the context of where the street starts. But we're going to have to wait for the rain a little bit first. Seems like it just keeps raining harder and harder and harder. You can see the wind kind of blowing the rain. It's all coming around the corner. So we're going to continue once we get a chance when the rain kind of lets up a little bit. But it's kind of beautiful in its own way to capture it like this. Okay, so now we moved over here a little bit. I filmed another street recently. I went down this one. It's raining so much. But that's the Lazarus district. We got some kind of cool stuff. I would walk around in this area, but it's raining so much. But yeah, there's like, up there's Mont Fortress if you go all the way up that way. And then Sao Paulo ruins would be on the other way. And now it looks like it's going to rain a lot more. Okay. I don't know how to block this. Rain is just not letting up. Okay, now we're on this side of the street. Look at how beautiful these buildings are. They're really beautiful buildings. This is kind of a nice little shop right here. I like how you can have stuff like this and people respect it and leave it alone. Look at the Corona. Like nobody will bother this if you were in US or UK or Europe or somewhere like that. That would be gone. So you're getting kind of an image of, I guess I could have walked down this a while ago. Now you can see some of these other beautiful buildings. Through the misty rain. So this is all part of this Lazarus district. So these yellow buildings are kind of a theme in this whole area. They were built, I think, 1920s, 1918, 1910s, in that time period. And now they're kind of, this one's like, I think they're kind of like community buildings, you know, basically. This one says cultural, some kind of cultural. This one is like most art exhibitions. And then you can see that red sign right there. That one kind of talks about, or doesn't talk about, it says Barrio de San Lazaro. Lazaro is Lazarus, the one that had leprosy. I think that Lazarus had leprosy. This is also kind of connected to leprosy as well. All that rain. If I can run across, I will. Kind of beautiful though. Right, look, you can see the sun is kind of coming out now. So the sun is just starting to peek out from under the clouds. And you see the sun rays coming through here. And then you can see some of that is Lazarus. It's all in the sunshine. And in the rain, I gotta run across there in a minute. So now we can see this one. If it wasn't raining so much, I would show you a little bit of that building. Yeah, it's really raining. And it looks like it kind of stopped. The sun kind of came up. That bamboo. This is the St. Lazarus district, so that's a really beautiful area down that way. So we're I guess we're just kind of, this is so beautiful. The rain is kind of slowing down to a stop. We'll just walk in here real quick. So yeah, this has all these art exhibitions. So right now there's an art exhibition called Void and Substance right there. If I look down, you can see this beautiful area in there as well. I guess we might as well since I'm here. Right in there. That beautiful courtyard. The water is just flowing off of the top of the building. So yeah, that's the Lazarus district. And then if I could keep looking over there would be another little mountain called Gia. The Gia Lighthouse up on top there. So Gia Lighthouse overlooks the city, and then over on this side is on the other side of this one is the Mount Fortress. Would be right up that way. Okay. That's our street. St. Lazarus. Yeah, the rain finally stopped. Now we can continue down our street here. St. Lazarus Church District, Creative Industries Promotion Association. So if we were to walk in here, there'd be art exhibition things. There's more upstairs. I have came in here before and filmed. So but the art exhibitions always change, but my focus is more about the streets. So I want to stay faithful to that. But that is there, so somebody who's interested, come on down to St. Lazarus. Okay. So we're going to be coming to an end. Straight down that way is St. Michael's Cemetery. This pastel blue. This bright blue is the Social Services building. And then that goes down to Kyungwoo Hospital. And this would be the end of our street right there. Check out that beautiful building, the way that building is built. Okay, so I guess on that note we'll end it for Rua de Sanches de Miranda.